While TV technology has made incredible leaps in providing stunning visuals at home, it still leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to sound quality. Why is that? One of the reasons is that modern TVs have small, built-in speakers tucked away in the back of the unit. This causes the sound to be angled toward the wall rather than toward you while you're watching TV. Fortunately, bad sound is not something you have to live with. In fact, the solution is more straightforward than replacing your TV. Enter the Yamaha soundbar. What's a soundbar? Simply put, a soundbar is specifically designed to deliver great sound. It's a simple and popular upgrade to deliver all the crisp audio details you've been missing from your favorite movies and shows on your flat TV. The features may vary, but at their core, a soundbar consists of built-in speakers, a subwoofer, either built-in or external, for enhanced bass, and connection options for passing audio through and controlling your TV's sound. Just like televisions, there's a wide range of features to consider when deciding what soundbar is right for you. At a minimum, look for a soundbar that offers the following: an HDMI input with ARC connection to your TV, CEC enablement, which lets you use your TV's remote to control the soundbar's volume and power, wireless music streaming capabilities via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi offers more control and better quality for music streaming. And finally, app and voice control compatibility. Next, consider your space before you select a soundbar. For example, do you want to mount the soundbar on the wall or place it on a tabletop underneath your TV? The choice is yours. What if you move or want to upgrade to all new audio components? No problem. A soundbar can be easily moved to a different room and quickly connected to a different TV. So as you can see, a soundbar is much more than just a replacement for your TV speaker. It's a game-changing upgrade that can fill your room with vibrant, detailed, and more accurate sound. Get ready for a more immersive experience and hear what you've been missing today.